Power meets style. Watch to the end for a surprise feature. The Suzuki Gixxer SF 250 instantly grabs attention with its bold and aggressive front stance. The aerodynamic design not only looks sporty, but also enhances performance on highways. The front cowl hugs the bike tightly, giving a premium, race-ready appearance. Step into the future with the ultra-sleek LED headlights. Designed for clarity and reach, these lights are perfect for both urban night rides and highway cruising. The unique headlamp shape complements the aggressive front fascia, enhancing its road presence, lighting up the night performance that thrills. At the rear, the Gixxer SF 250 carries its attitude with crisp, modern LED taillight. It's compact, minimalistic, and very much in sync with the rest of the bike's sporty design. The glow of the tail section during night rides adds to the premium character. This isn't just design, it's designed with a purpose. The dual-outlet exhaust looks beefy and adds a muscular edge to the bike's profile. But it's not just for show. The sound is throaty, sporty, and genuinely exciting without being too loud. The chrome finish on the exhaust pipe adds a premium feel. Rumble that excites, design that dominates. Rolling on stylish alloy wheels, the Gixxer SF 250 ensures both looks and grip are on point. The blacked-out finish gives a stealthy, performance-oriented vibe. With wide tires and precision braking, handling becomes intuitive, especially around corners. From the side, the Gixxer SF 250 shows off its full potential. The sculpted tank, extended fairings, and compact tail give an aggressive yet balanced look. It screams speed even while standing still. The proportions are sporty, yet ergonomic. Tech meets power, ready for every road. At its heart lies a 249 cubic centimeters, oil-cooled, single-cylinder engine that punches out serious performance. With smooth throttle response and refined power delivery, the engine is built for both daily commutes and weekend thrills. The digital speedometer on the Gixxer SF 250 is sharp, bright, and easy to read even under sunlight. It gives you all the essential info, gear position, RPM, fuel, and more, right at a glance. Stay tuned for more luxury content. Next level machines coming soon.